This video will show you how to insert and delete columns and rows in an Excel spreadsheet. There are many ways to insert and delete columns and rows, and we'll look at inserting columns first. On this spreadsheet, I need to add a new column between column B and C, as I've forgotten to add the employee's last name. So to do that, I'm going to hover over column C. You'll notice a little black arrow pointing down. I'll right-click here, and then I can choose Insert, or from the Home tab on the ribbon, you can choose Insert, and then Insert Sheet Columns. When you insert a column, it automatically inserts in front of the position of your mouse. So I now have a new column C, and the original column C has moved to D, and so forth. The inserted column also takes on the formatting of the column immediately before it. Luckily, there's a little insert option paintbrush hanging off the new column. If you click there, you can choose to apply the formatting from the left side or the right side of the new column, or you can clear the formatting. I'm going to choose the same as the right. If you want to insert more than one column at the same time, you just need to highlight the number of columns to insert, and then you can insert however you like. This time I'm going to highlight columns E and F, and I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+, but you may have to try Ctrl+Shift+. To delete the column, you can right-click on top of the column and choose Delete, or you can highlight the columns to delete and choose Delete from the Home tab, and then Delete Sheet Columns. You can also try Ctrl- on your keyboard. To insert or delete rows, it's exactly the same technique, except that you highlight where you want to insert the rows instead of columns. I'm going to select row 2. You'll notice the arrow points inwards. Right-click and choose Insert. Alternatively, you can go to Insert on the ribbon and Insert Sheet Rows. You can clearly see the new row has been inserted above the row I selected, and it automatically has the formatting applied from the row above. Guess what? I can click on the little paintbrush and this time choose the same as above or below, or clear the formatting. I'm going to highlight 3 rows, but this time I'm going to use another keyboard shortcut, F4. The F4 key repeats the very last thing you did, so now I've got 3 new rows. To delete the row, you can right-click and choose Delete, or go to Delete on the ribbon and choose Delete Sheet Rows. For row 5, I'm going to do Ctrl-, and for 5 and 6, I'm going to do F4. And there you go. In this video, you have seen how to insert and delete columns and rows in an Excel spreadsheet.